Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the 2024 Kia EV9. This all-electric SUV is Kia's latest and greatest, and it's sure to turn heads. Now let's talk about exterior. The EV9 has a bold and futuristic design that's unlike anything else on the road. It's got a large, upright grille, sleek headlights, and a sloping roofline. The EV9 is also available with a panoramic sunroof that lets in plenty of natural light. So what about the interior? The interior of the EV9 is just as impressive as the exterior. It's spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom and headroom for all passengers. The materials used are top-notch, and the fit and finish is excellent. The EV9 also comes standard with a long list of features, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 14-speaker sound system, and a 22-speaker sound system. And the performance? The EV9 is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces 302 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain allows the EV9 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. The EV9 also has a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. In addition to its long list of standard features, the EV9 is also available with a number of optional features, including a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, a surround-view camera system, and a power-operated tailgate. The 2024 Kia EV9 is expected to start at around $55,000. Fully loaded, it could reach the $70,000 bracket. The 2024 Kia EV9 is a great choice for those who are looking for a stylish, spacious, and powerful electric SUV. It's got a long list of features, and it's sure to turn heads. Thanks for watching my video about the 2024 Kia EV9. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews.